Wait, which lane do we want to be in? I forget.
Is that an ambulance behind us?
Yeah, there is an ambulance behind us.
Let's hear your launch control.
What?
Let's hear your launch control with all the buildings.
My launch control in the middle of traffic when I'm not going to be moving much after? Probably
exactly.
done. I mean, he doesn't seem to care that much, but are you just giving to the front? Good man.
Yes.
Good man.
The front is mine.
Alright. I heard an ambulance. And look at these idiots.
Right, I'm trying to wheelie here.
Yeah, they were looking at you like you're the bad guy. They're walking in the middle of the road.
Go on, you.
Get on out of here. Oh, yeah, this looks like a law of traffic, buddy.
Minimal traffic here, huh? Glade goes down.
Liquid cooled, liquid cooled.
I guess guy's tires. I think he needs new ones. We're gonna overheat here.
You might. Well, actually, with all the problems I've been having with this bike, actually, wait. I never did do a checkup on the cooling system, so.
I also don't have a fan right now, so sitting isn't really ideal.
You don't have a fan?
No, remember I didn't plug it in.
You didn't plug it? You don't have a radiator?
I'm assuming that's what that is.
How many bars of coolant do you have right now?
Well, my temperature gauge is one or two below the top.
Oh, it's 2 below the top. Okay, you're good. That's normal, right? That's normal operation.
I think so. I hope so. It's warm for sure.
I can hear my radiator fan going like crazy right now.
I wish mine was.
If you see it get too close to the top, maybe just be better off skipping the traffic and trying to get some movement through it.
Yeah, just letting it just cool down by itself. Why is there so much traffic though? That's what I want to know.
I have no clue. It's the flats. It's 11:30. Probably a lot of people leaving.
Probably people just getting here for real.
Yeah. So I was trying to tell my boys in California, bro. Like the flats are popping. They're little tiny bars out in Pacific Beach. Like 10 people are at. Like this ain't nothing, y'all. Y'all haven't seen a night scene. So I invited them out here, and I still haven't seen them.
Yeah, wherever we go, we gotta have it as our final resting spot because my bike is getting warm. Yeah, I don't think my fan's definitely not working. I just don't know where that plug would go.
Just start blowing on it.
I thought track bikes were supposed to have fans.
I can definitely feel the heat coming from mine, but it's not like the Panigale where it's like, I would not rev it.
My shit is about to overheat. I just overheated. It's actually overheated.
Oh, fuck. Start pushing it, buddy. Turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right.
I can't. I gotta go straight.
Ah, fuck. We gotta get out of here ASAP. You gotta get some airflow on that bike.
Yeah, we'll go up the hill here.
This is a bad idea. Bad move, bad move. A lot of cops.
It's okay, it's okay.
A lot of feds. Try to, like, coast it if you can. The more RPMs you have, the more heat. Ooh. Someone's getting towed.
Oh, yeah.
Someone said pop it. Dude, I'm on a 1,000 going at 10 miles an hour.
You want me to die?
Yeah, you want me to just cut through the car, turn right. Cut through the car, turn right. Or I guess you don't want to hit a human. I can see the coolant on your back tire. Be very careful.
I just need to stop somewhere for real. Just let it cool down for a little bit.
You might be better off getting airflow through it, like keeping moving.
I don't know, to be honest, because I want to check it out for a second for real.
Alright, well then do that.
Followed her right behind this car.
Word.
Just hope I'm not like out of coolant, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I mean, I don't think you're out of coolant. The bike will shut off before it does any damage to itself. Of course, the car leaves as soon as we pull up. They think we're gonna rob them. Hello, Mr. Officer. We're totally.
I think my bike is smoking here. Yeah, my bike is smoking a little bit.
That's not supposed to do that.
I gotta get a new bike. Yeah, so let's just let this thing cool down and then we'll just ride home. I gotta get a new bike. Hey, at least we didn't stop in the flats and get embarrassed.
You have a little accident there, bud?
Yeah, I peed, I tinkled. Fuck you, asshole. So, in theory, it's peeing because it's so hot, but it's so hot because it doesn't have any coolant.
Yep. That's a working theory.
Yeah, so I guess I'm not gonna ride for a little bit again.
Or just plug in your radiator fan.
Yeah, I just don't know. I mean, I also have to get more coolant too, so.
A little bit. You didn't get rid of that much.
I need.
You didn't have any left over from when you poured it in?
Well, the tank here is like, or the reservoir is.
Use your words.
I don't even know, because I'm seeing multicolors, but I don't even think there's anything in the reservoir, to be honest with you.
I mean, how much do you have at home? How much coolant do you have sitting at home?
Not enough.
You sure about that?
Yes, 100%. Because I bought 2, because he showed me in the manual, because I didn't believe him that it only took 2.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't believe you either. It literally says in the manual take 2.7.
Yeah, because then I looked it up, and I could barely even fit 2 in there.
Are you sure you drained all of it out?
At least it's not dripping anymore. Alright, just kick dirt around us so no one sees it.
Just keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself.
Everybody stay
Yeah.
calm. Everybody stay calm.
Yeah, keep walking, buddy.
Keep going, huh?
Gonna keep walking there. What does this say? Warehouse district.
Yeah, dude, I really do just have to somehow get a new bike.
Somehow?
Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah.
A lot of bikes overheating. Facebook Marketplace.
Loading up Marketplace right now. How about you buy this lovely S1000 that I heard just went for sale?
They're free here. Oh, dude, look at that. 2024 ZX10, 18,000. I can afford that.
18,000?
Yeah, fuck that.
Yeah, why the... Wait, hold on. That's basically MSRP.
Yeah. Let's see how many miles are on it.
2,000.
Dyno tune, tail light, tucked plate, levers, quick release gas cap, frame sliders, 3,000 miles.
Sounds about a tale as old as time. Someone bought it, they modified it, realized that it's too powerful for them and that they're gonna kill themselves, and so listed it for sale. Sucks.
I shouldn't have trusted this bike for real.
Me neither.
Oh, look at that, 2009 Triumph 675.
I definitely feel your pain, brother. Like, just tonight is not the night for motorcycles being operational. Why do I hear a bike over there and I don't see him?
Behind a couple cars.
Oh, I see him. Is he turning here or is he going straight? Oh, he's going right. Ah, nerd. Okay, he's horny.
Bro, holy fuck. That was an R1. That was an R6. 2014 R1, 16,000 miles, asking 11,000.
That's too much. 8,000 most. Right now is like the worst time to shop for bikes, unfortunately. Why don't you go to Ducati and do the Ducati financing? It's like $200 a month for like a brand new bike.
Yeah, I just don't have the money. That's why I haven't done it yet.
Yeah, there is a down payment. I forgot about that. But yeah, once you get the down payment, you basically have a bike. It's like a subscription to bikes for like the rest of your riding, whatever. Which is pretty cool, in my opinion. I should have done that. I was really looking at Marketplace while his bike's sitting on the side of the road. You should take pictures of it, post it right now. Are you actually?
I'm not gonna post it. I'm just so people know. We can out of multiple spots. Good thing we didn't run.
What?
Or like have an instance where we needed to run.
No, I don't. Not down on the flats, but on the highway, I think you would have been fine. It's like what you have right now is like a track bike. You don't have radiator fans, so as long as you have airflow flowing through it, then it's fine.
Yeah, I'm just worried my coolant's too low because I've been pissing coolant all night.
Well, air cooled. Just go fast enough. Just go fast enough. I mean, I'm gonna be riding home with you the whole time.
If anything, you could just put your foot on my license plate here and push me home.
At 100 miles an hour. Yep.
I say we just let it cool. Because it's still really warm. Say we let it cool down for like 5-10 more minutes.
I'm perfectly chilling, dog. Imagine trying to pick up a girl right now. You come up to your bike that's pissing cool and you're just like, hey, baby.
Hey, you want to go for a ride in like 10-15 minutes?
Let me go get you a drink first.
Alright, no, I have some fun and I'll probably still be here. Bike just has to cool down. Air cooler. Come on.
You know, you can actually use distilled water. I mean, you can actually use piss, I think, if you need to in a pinch.
I just start peeing in here right now.
Get your wiener out.
Sorry, it scared me because I was focused on the tweak over here.
I remember me and came down here a few years ago for a Halloween party at CSU, and we were out walking around. We were dressed as army guys. He had an armored vest on, and I didn't realize it at the time, but he had his real gun inside the vest. And so he's walking around. I get it's downtown Cleveland, but it's still a college campus with his gun on him. And we run into this dude. He comes up. He's like, what's up? Let me see. I gotta use your phone real quick. Unzips his vest and he like pulls out his gun halfway, and he's like, you don't need to see our phones.
Right. All these people.
They trying to cross?
Come on, traffic. We can't have people looking at my bike pissing coolant. I'll stand like this.
This guy's pissing coolant everywhere. He's littering.
Shut up.
This guy's here to meet a 15-year-old girl.
I can't get away either.
Said that way too loud, dude. I'm sorry. I got earplugs in. I can't hear myself. The whole world is just muted right now. I'm just like vibing. All I hear is you and my own voice.
Yeah, if anything, dude, I'm just driving straight home.
Oh yeah, no, I'm cool with that.
I'm probably not gonna rip it either, just cause.
Oh, she is liquefied.
Oh yeah.
This guy's leaking coolant. He's so fascinated. He's like, whoa, liquid cooling. Oh boy.
Sir, you think we want that bike? You think I want to be seen? I'd rather be seen with my bike pissing coolant.
Dude, I thought I had bad luck with bikes, and you came along.
Imagine I just kicked it over. Yeah, so I was just standing here, and a homeless man came up and kicked it.
It was the craziest thing in the world. Totaled it out somehow. Got a bunch of bullet holes in it.
Just pay a homeless man $40 to tip it over.
Hold on, Adam just texted me. He said, blow up? Question mark.
I do not.
You tired?
tired of waiting for my bike to stop pissing cool.
Old man getting tired out here, bro.
Yeah, dude, I can't stay. Dude,
That was a crazy yawn. It's only a couple miles. You can push it home. If we started right now, we might be able to get there next week.
Okay, how long is a walk home? 7 hours, 15 minutes.
Oh, dude, we'll make it by sunrise.
We can watch the sunset if we walk back this way.
What do you mean? No, we'll see the sun rise, bro. 7 hours? What time is it? It's like midnight?
Yeah, 11:45.
Yeah, dude. That's nothing.
Yeah, so we just take Broadview.
Well, no, we're not going to do that now. You want to get airflow, so we're going to take the freeway. Right now, you basically have a Harley. It's air-cooled. So you want to get as much airflow as possible.
Yeah.
It's a joke. It's a joke. I'm going to say that, and so I'm going to clip that, and someone's going to be like, oh, actually, oh my god, I have to explain this now. I made fun of something on my H2 because it has the Olin steering dampener where it's like, it's somewhat loose, which is how it's supposed to be. And I made a short about it, and everyone's like, oh, you're such an idiot. I'm like, okay. Okay. Hold on. It was supposed to be satire.
It was a joke, asshole. Come
Hey,
on.
I'm like, shut up, bro. Come on. I can't even... And when I do make something educational, some nerd comes in and he's like, oh, actually, I never did that, and we totally fine. I was like, okay.
I think my best option is just giving it to a dealership. Those guys are talking about fighting each other to get a girl. I mean, whatever. He goes, well, I mean, like, maybe I'll, like, give you, like, a lights, like, you know, left tap and then, like...
Oh, fake fighting.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so lame.
I mean, I don't know how that'd get the girl, but...
That sounds like such a drunk conversation to have.
Oh, dude, they're so fucked up for sure.
Remember I told you we'd go take fire photos for your Hinge profile?
What the fuck is that?
I have no idea.
Dude, it just sounds like a sport bike, which is weird.
300 with the dude on the back?
Well, I'd say that's pretty ballsy.
That's a cop? What?
He's wearing a safety vest, probably traffic cop.
Fake wannabe.
They cooled down a little bit. Let me hit maps here. Hello, maps.
Walking it home is an option. Just saying.
I'll just leave it here and report someone.
Could do that. I mean, there are a lot of cameras here. Probably would not be a good idea. But here you go. Here's some lovely woman. Be like, help. Ladies, my bike broke down. Oh, they're gone.
I take one of them for show.
We gotta come down here more often. This is fun.
Look, that guy's trying to pick him up.
No way.
Oh, thanks, we're good.
No way. Next time, get a C8, buddy. Brokey. That sucks to be a girl down here, actually. That kind of makes me sad.
Yeah, it's just random guys always hitting on them. I mean, that makes you feel good for show.
Well, like, if it was a C8, maybe I'd feel a little bit better, but, like, it's a C7 going to hit on you, I'm like, ugh.
It's like an 01 Camry just, like, pulling up, and he's like, hey, you girls need a ride somewhere?
It's literally the equivalent of an 01 Camry. Because it's like, if you buy a C7 as, like, a track car or, like, to go fast, it's one thing, but if you're using a C7 to pick up a girl, it's like, you really just couldn't afford the C8, couldn't you? That's really what you're doing. Oh, sorry, I got distracted by the C7 picking up the girls that miserably failed. No, thank you, we're good.
So we're gonna go straight, and then basically the way...
Okay, so that's what I thought.
You know where the jail is? Where you get on over there? We'll just go all the way over there.
That's a place I'm going one day. What?
Motherfucker, I'm so pissed. We were so close.
Well, now you know how it feels, bud.
Alright, let's go.
Hold on, cars.